This is Shannon Kringen, and you're watching Goddess Kring from a porta potty in the Pride Fest. Hello, my name is Shannon Kringen, and I call myself Goddess Kring. And today I rode my bicycle in a Seattle event in conjunction with Pride Fest, which is for gay and lesbian and transgendered rights. I myself am not gay, I'm heterosexual, but I totally support gay rights and the rights of lesbians and bisexual and transgender and polyamorous people. And I rode my bike nearly nude with lots of other people today in the Seattle streets in a neighborhood called Capitol Hill. And I cried. I was taking photographs of myself in chrome in this woman's, a woman that was part of the Bikes on Dykes parade ride. Oh, there's my painting behind me. See? Ooh, there's a painting behind me. No. Okay. I was photographing myself in chrome because I do a lot of self-portraits in reflective objects. And this woman came up and she was part of the Dykes on Bikes. Hi, Stella. Kitty, kitty. My cat. Oh, Stella. Hi. Kitty, 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 kitty. See, Stella. See? Hi. Stella. Brrr. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Stella. Oh, Stella. Hello. Hello, Stella. Brrr. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi.